G'day guys, today we're going to show you the Eternal City, Rome.
Rome is full of histories, beautiful architectures and places to discover.
So you can come with us as we show you what you can do and see while you're here in Rome.
Our first stop of the day is going to be the Colosseum. Be aware that because of COVID you can only buy tickets online and they sell out very fast, so you should buy them a few days in advance. In alternative, you can always join a guided tour for €35 in front of the Colosseum.
See those seats over there? They reckon they're the original seats, and from those seats they estimate that the Colosseum held 60,000 people. Colosseum is the largest ancient amphitheatre ever built and is still the largest standing amphitheatre in the world today, despite being completed in 80 AD. And it was used back in the day for gladiator fights between animals or between each other, executions, reenactments of famous battles, and dramas. For the grand opening of the Colosseum, it was even flooded with water to reenact a naval battle.
The many underground tunnels that you can now see in the center of the Colosseum, they were actually covered by the arena. So the gladiators and the animals entered through the tunnels and emerged in front of the crowd thanks to an intricate rope and pulley system controlling 36 vertical passageways.
That was really cool. That was a really amazing tour. So much history there. It's unbelievable. So we finished that, and right now we're headed to the Roman Forum, which is this way. When you buy your Colosseum ticket, you should also get access to the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. The Roman Forum was the beating heart of ancient Rome. It was home to ancient Rome's most important temples, monuments, and government buildings. Here you can also find the temple in which Julius Caesar was cremated. For some reason, people love to leave flowers and coins in here, and I'm really not sure why.
While you are here, don't forget to check out the view from Palatine Hill. From here you will be able to have a beautiful sight of the most famous Roman buildings. You should probably consider at least 2 or 3 hours for your visit, and probably you still won't be able to see it all.
After you finish your visit to the Roman Forum and the Palatine Hill, exit from the west side and walk towards the Circus Maximus. This is Rome's oldest stadium and the greatest and largest stadium in mankind history.
From the Circo Massimo, walk towards Palazzo Venezia. From here, we're starting to discover some of Rome's more modern history. In this beautiful building, you will find Italy's tomb of the unknown soldier and a monument to Vittorio Emanuele II, the first king of Italy. Alright, here we are in front of Palazzo Venezia, Venice Palace, in which the 10th of June 1940 Mussolini announced that Italy would enter in the war and ruin Italy forever. From Palazzo Venezia, walk down to Via del Corso, which is the road directly in front of the palace. You can't miss it. From here, you can follow the sign towards the Trevi fountain.
The Trevi fountain was built in the 18th century. It's the largest Baroque fountain in the city and one of the most famous fountains in the world. Legend has it that if you throw a coin over your shoulder into the fountain, you will one day come back to visit Rome again.
If you are still keen to walk, you should definitely check out Trastevere. This is a neighborhood located in the other side of the river Tevere. From here you can climb the hill to have a beautiful view of Rome.
Heading back to the other side of the river, you will find Rome's beautiful rose garden, which contains more than 1,100 species of roses.
Last but not least, if you want to have a unique Roman experience, head to the Basilica di Santa Maria in Cosmedin. to put your hand inside the bocca della verità. According to the legend, if you don't speak the truth, the mouth will close around you and bite your hand off.
Alright guys, that is us done for Rome today. We did and saw a lot of really cool places.
And we hope we have given you an idea of what to do in Rome if you're staying here 1 or 2 days.
As always, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, a like, a share, and subscribe. And
don't miss the next video because we are going a very cool place.
alright, we'll see you in the next one.